Welcome to another episode of my series, Contemplative Cottage Gardening. And I am attempting to find that sweet spot between traditional gardening, finding with Sandy some attractive flowers and plants that looks like traditional gardening, but I'm also now finding myself more and more leaning towards this concept of wilding, trying to encourage natural habitats for wild animals, for wild plants, for wild flora and fauna to find themselves. So one of the things I learned about recently is about creating a woodpile. And from what I've learned, a woodpile creates a multitude of habitats that small creatures, birds, little insects, probably other lizards might find themselves in that little woodpile, and it will encourage biodiversity. So this is my first attempt at trying to create a woodpile in my backyard together with some of the more traditional gardening methods. I hope you find it interesting and I hope you enjoy it. So here I have my attempt at a woodpile. I've placed it at the base of a large cedar tree, and it's next to a small sapodilla tree that's now growing, and in the back I have an alocasia or elephant ear plant in a pot. And this is my attempt at a woodpile. It's together with a big trunk of a tree that fell down, and these are all the branches that broke off of the tree, and I've piled them up in a sort of haphazard way, hoping to create a multitude of small habitats, and then we'll come back at a later date and see whether or not it has generated any interest by insects or birds or lizards. I believe one of the elements of contemplative cottage gardening, one of the elements of contemplation, is an interconnectedness with nature, an interconnectedness with creation. So I'm hoping that my woodpile, in some way, some strange way, will bring me closer to nature, will have me as a more creative and caring person of creation. So I'm hoping that it will lead me into a deeper contemplation in my connectedness, my interconnectedness with nature. Let's see.